Alright then, it's here. Windows 8. I've finally got it installed. It was installed on that hardware there, but it wasn't powerful enough to handle Windows 8. It only had a 600 MHz processor, and Windows 8 really needs 1 GHz to be able to run smoothly. It was running, but it was just like proper slow. It was just horrible. So I've just plugged the hard drive into this tower, which has a 3 GHz processor, and it's running a lot quicker, so it's all good. I would have been here a bit quicker, but I've had trouble installing the touchscreen driver, because the drivers that I had on my disk, the highest operating system they supported was Vista, not Windows 7, so the OS wouldn't accept it, but it does now. Right, so you swipe up and then it's locked, so I'm just going to type my password in, and then this is the start menu. This is the lovely start screen that you're met with. It looks pretty ace, I'm not going to lie, it does look quite cool. So I'll just get a bit close and stop the audio leader, my laptop's passing. There's a scroll bar across the bottom there which is hidden. So these are the different things that we have. We've got Internet Explorer, we've got the App Store there, the weather, Windows Explorer control panel, the desktop, Social 8, Tweetorama, news, stocks. If we scroll across, we've got like the build app and a load of other apps that have come with it. There's note space, aircraft, bitbox, flashcards, all sorts, and then there's administrative tools down at the end here, because obviously I'm the administrator. So let's just go to the desktop. So this is the desktop. I don't like the big taskbar, I only like the small little one, so I've changed it to the little taskbar. So what have we got? With double tap. Okay then, Windows Explorer now has ribbons. It now has the ribbon across the top, as you can see, which is this bit here, and you can hide the ribbon by pressing that little button, and then the ribbon hides. But I've grown fond of the ribbon in Explorer now, because it houses a lot of tasks. We now have the up directory button back, so I can go up a directory, which is good. Yeah. Control panel is the same. Doesn't look any different. If we just close that, my advanced gestures aren't working for some reason, so if I use the right click tool, go into personalize, I've modified the Windows Extended theme. The Windows Extended theme has been designed for if you have more than one monitor, so you could have like a monitor there and a monitor there, and the background flows across it, because you can see it's quite a big background. But I've just modified it so that the background fits on one screen by setting it to centered. This is the first operating system that doesn't have the Windows Classic theme. See, there's no Classic theme, which is quite cool. There's the Windows Basic theme, which if I just select is just very basic. There's no transparency, and it goes sort of metro style, does the whole theme, which is quite cool, but I quite like my theme. I like Aero, so you can customise the Aero a bit. You can have it so that the colour automatically changes to whatever your background is, which is quite cool. So I've just done that now, but obviously you can change your colour to whatever you want. But I like automatic colour, so I'll just save and close that. Right, Right, so it comes with Internet Explorer 10, I think. I'll be able to tell you in a second if it is Explorer 10 or not. Yeah, Explorer 10 Preview Edition. So that just looks like normal. Yep. But if we go into the start screen, open up Internet, I hit Explorer. And if you just go into Internet Explorer, then there's actually an app, full screen app. So let's go to Google. And there you go. It is a full screen web browser. And then that is, you can pin your page to the start screen if you want. I'm not going to because there's no point. But yeah, and that's the back button. That's the forward button. Refresh, and then hey, I've killed it. That's the blue screen of death. That does happen a few times. That has happened to me a lot whilst trying to install the touchscreen. It hasn't had any of it. I can't wait for it to boot back up now. This is the amazing boot screen. It's wicked. It'll load in a second. Hopefully. So, focus. There we go. Oh, also on the new log-on screen it shows you the clock, the date, and it also shows a couple of icons if you want. So obviously I've got internet there. Oh, killed it again. For some reason Windows 8 doesn't like this touchscreen. I can't understand why. So yeah, when it works, it looks a decent OS. I'm going to log in by using the mouse method, because you can still do it all with the mouse. At least in this way, I know it's not going to die straight away. Let the OS finally boot in properly. Right, so we're back. Let's go into control panel. In fact, I've got some updates that need to be installed. Don't know how to do that, because I've got no start menu. You can change the background of the log-on screen. I quite like that one though, so I'm going to leave it. Users, pretty simple. You can change stuff for your account, wireless stuff, notifications. It won't let me scroll. I have to use the mouse to scroll today. There we go. Right, and there's all sorts. Dead again. I'm just going to give up now. I'm going to call it quits for this video. Bloody touchscreen, Windows 8. Hopefully 3M will release a proper Windows 8 driver. And again, this is only at preview stage, so it's not supposed to be great. So I'm just going to install these updates that they're supposed to be, and I'll capture another clip after that. And hopefully the touch should be a bit better. Alright, thanks for watching anyway. See you in a bit.